here. Oh, I can do that one because it's hard. I didn't break it. Yeah. We need a hammer or something. Hammer? Oh.
A hammer?
Let me see inside. Let me see inside too. It looks slimy in there. It looks. Hello. We were taking apart our VCR. And we learned a few things about our VCR. About how dusty it is inside. And how many chip parts and how moldy it is in the middle. Well, moldy looking. And look at this.
Is that a circuit board?
Yeah. Circuit board. I'm doing straight. Yeah, you.
Did you find something that turns?
Yes.
Show it to me. Oh, what does that do?
It does this.
Oh, does that help our movie work?
Yes. It gets the video in and then